A major restoration project at Lahore Fort has received international recognition after UNESCO officially acknowledges the completion of restoration work on the historic picture wall. In its latest report, UNESCO described the project as an important step in preserving one of the world's most beautiful and detailed mural walls. The picture wall, built during the Mughal era under Emperors Jahangir and Shah Jahan, stretches nearly 475 meters long and stands around 17 meters high. It features around 2,000 decorative panels showing royal processions, hunting scenes, birds, animals, angels, floral patterns, and mythical figures. The wall combines different art styles and materials, including glazed tiles, fresco work, marble, sandstone, and terracotta.